Alright mga katoto, good morning! Good morning Calgary! Dito tayo sa may check Hampton Inn. Punta na kami sa may graduation venue namin mga katoto, sa may Jackson Singer Hall ba yun? Jackson Singer Hall. So maglalakad lang kami para hindi na kami maghanap-hanap ng parking lot mamaya. Tapos straight na kami sa entrance nun. Ito yung gagawin namin. Nilakad na namin kahapon to para makita namin kung saan yung pupuntahan namin para di na kami maligaw, para hindi kami malate. Tumawid po tayo dito mga katoto, First Avenue Southwest, and then pagkatapos ng 7th Avenue pupunta pa doon, isang kanto pa. Ayun mga katoto yung Calgary Tower. Kita dyan, against the light lang siguro. Railway ito. Ayan. Public transport nandoon. So yun yung Calgary Tower mga katoto. Bakit may mga naka-costume?
Mga kagabi yan.
May mga naka-costume, ano to? Ayan o, may naka-costume o. Diba? Alien. Ayan na. Nakikita nyo na po, yan. Pangalawang building. Yung sign na puti, merong Singer Ajax Singer Concert Hall pa nga to. Hindi pala Jackson, Jack lang pala. Ayan. Tara. Dito na kami sa may Jackson Ajax Singer Concert Hall. Yan. Ito po yung ano niya. Taas niya, no? Ayan, papasok na kami dito. Alas 10 daw open na eh. Punta na kami dito. Pasok. Maghintay na tayo dito. Ayun. Dito tayo.
Okay na?
Loading pa rin siya. Mamaya ito after. Baka manalo ng $100.
Tapos meron kami na ito. Ready ka na? Then papasok po dito. Pasok po dyan. Ito po yung Jack Singer Concert Hall kung saan sila tapos. Okay, dito na tayo. So meron doon pagkain. So parang dito gaganapin. Okay, hanapin niya na yung... Saan mo hanapin?
Ha?
Nahanapin mo. Mahanapin niya na yung kanyang room.
Hello sir. This is for digital marketing stair? Yes?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you. Okay, kukunin namin yung mga gown namin. Alright. Nakapag-picture na ako doon konti-konti. Ilan lang yung digital marketing na gano'n eh. Ibang stress. Dito. Dito yun.
There should be a washroom. And your name, sir? What's your size, sir? 51?
Is there 52?
And what size down the 58. But 51 should fit. You want to try it? Just try it. 48. And 42. That's the Thank you. How good? Do I need to try it? No, you're good.
Kuha ko na yung gown ko. Ano na to? Ito na. Yeah. What course are you, sir?
Counting?
Accounting. Oh. Yes. Ito na. Try natin. Man. Wala siyang nakasabit. Pero okay na. Thank you, Lord. Alright. Panalo. Okay. That's nice. Graduate na si RP. Thanks, Lord. Nag-picture ako doon.
Pila ka lang doon. Tapos pipicturean kita doon. So ito, naghihintay na ang mga family dito. So, ano sila? Katato!
Merong medal.
Meron ito.
Business Administration graduates. Cybersecurity graduates. Digital marketing graduates. Dental Office Administration graduates. May we request everybody to stand as we warmly welcome the dignitaries, employers, special guests, and the rest of the ABM staff. Let us give them a big round of
Presenting the graduates of Digital Marketing Diploma. Let us give them a warm round of applause.
Alright, natayo na kami. Kami naman yung pupunta sa stage, mga katoto. Kami naman.
Mario Rulona with academic distinction.
Demola Okontuna. Marby Adrian with academic Ayubami Anuleke. Uren Ben Tanfo. Presenting the graduates of
Graduates, before we conclude, we have two special traditions to celebrate this milestone moment: the tassel ceremony and the craft toss. May we kindly ask all the graduates to please stand and gather in the central area. Usherettes, kindly assist. Staff, kindly assist the student. Please gather in the central area. Student can also sit at the front row if you want. You can move on the front row. Okay, first we will begin with the tassel ceremony, a small but meaningful tradition that symbolizes your transition from students to graduates. In a moment, we will be asking you to move your tassels from the left side to the right side. So please ready your tassel from the left, and we'll do this together, okay? So we'll be moving it from left to right. And now, please move your tassels from the left side to the right side. Lastly, we will be doing the cap toss, a celebration of your success and prelude to the exciting journey ahead. Our team will be capturing this special moment with photos and videos, so please let us make this memorable. Please hold on to your caps. Hold on to your caps, like you have to hold it, okay? And then I will count to 3, and then you have to throw it together, okay? And then catch it back.
Yeah. Catch it back.
Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, man. Ilagis ko yung sakit na wala. Yan. Bakit to? Sakit to. Tinapon ko tapos malabon. Ayan. Bakit ang buko dapat sa gabi yun?
And you can also take pictures on the stage if you want to.
Graduate na! Thank you! Parang ka-picture tayo doon.
Saan?
Yay! Graduate na! Tapos na mga katoto. Baby, adal pa ako. Napakasaya. So, ano ko na to? Tatanggalin ko na to. Ah, hanggang doon? Hanggang doon naman, hindi ah.
Pwede mo natanggalin yung ano mo.
Maglalakad tayo hanggang doon? Nakaganito? Hindi ah.
Natanggalin to.
Tignan mo yung buhok ko. Pangit na. Dito tayo. Tanggalin ko na.
Sabi niya, you didn't hands out to me.
Iba yung sa akin yan eh. Nung tinapon ko siyang ganyan,
Oh.
Yung tinapon ko, lumipad. Akala ko tatapon.
Kakapoy ko din.
Pumunta doon eh. Tapos yung isa, meron na ano, parang extra. Sabi nung nasa likod ko Pilipino, Kuya, meron pa, ayun pa yun, meron pa. Kinuha ko. Ayun na, okay. All good, all good. Thank you.
Go!
Yo, thank you.